Guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how do I do my hot oil treatment on my locks. So what you need, anyways, you can use any type of oils of your choice. So for me, on my side, I'll go with Iceland oil. This is from Jamaican Mango and Lime products. Then I'll be adding in some extra virgin oil, olive oil. Then I'll be using some tea tree oil. I'll just be adding some few drops of tea tree oil. Then lastly, this is my coconut oil. So guys, if interested, let's go ahead and get started. I'll add a little bit more of olive oil because that is my main oil, the main ingredient. So then I will be adding in some few drops of tea tree oil. Then my Iceland oil, not that much. Lastly, it will be my coconut oil. So like this much. So I'll be putting this into my microwave to melt and to warm it a little bit. Then I'll be adding it on my hair. So guys, let me just warm this. I'll be warming my oil for 1 minute because I don't need that when it's too hot, whereby it can burn my scalp. So guys, as you can see, my oil is really ready. Then I will be adding it in my spray bottle. Make sure you don't heat it that much because it can burn your scalp. So I'll be closing my spray bottle, then I'll start spraying it all over my scalp. So let's get started. And actually, you may ask how much oil you can warm. It depends on the length of your locks because my locks, they are not that long, so I add the minimum actually. Make sure to apply that oil on your scalp actually, guys. Then I massage my scalp to ensure that the oil is everywhere. So guys, once I'm done with the scalp, then I'll add the remaining oil onto my locks to make sure also they will be moisturized afterwards. So guys, once I'm done, the rest of the oil I'll apply it onto my face, because these oils, they are also nice for the skin too. Yeah, so now I'll just hold my hair into a ponytail, and once I'm done with my ponytail, then I'll add the rest of the oils onto my hair tips actually, so that my locks can be fully covered with a hot oil treatment. So guys, I'll be covering my locks with a plastic bag. So now this is how my head looks like. So I'll get the most out of it actually. So I'll just add my towel to keep the warmth and to leave the oil to do its magic. So guys, I'll leave my oil to sit for an hour, then I'll come back with the final results when I'm done with rinsing out. Actually, the only tip which can help you out to seal in the oils is by rinsing with cold water, guys. So I don't want to spoil the benefits of the oils onto my locks, so I'll just follow that. I always rinse out with cold water. So guys, see you later with the finished result. And so guys, as you can see, this is my final results, and this is how my locks looks like when I'm done with the hot oil treatment. Let me just do a 360 for you guys, then I'll show you the side view, front view, and a back view. So let me just do a 360 for you guys. This is my back view. Another side view. And this is my front view, guys. So that's how my locks stand out. And guys, you need to try always hot oil treatment. So guys, you need to keep on moisturizing your hair by doing hot oil treatment. Actually guys, you never go wrong. So let me just come a little bit closer. I feel like my hair is really and fully moisturized. So as you can see, I feel like I'm born again. So guys, that's how my hair turned out. The last back view, guys. So I'm really impressed with the results. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome, and don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in my next video.
Bisous.